5 expensive homes for sale in Bel Air. Bel Air is one of the 3 communities, along with Holmby Hills and Beverly Hills, that comprise the Platinum Triangle in Los Angeles. Located along the foothills of Santa Monica Mountains, Bel Air was designed as an estate community when it was first founded and developed. Bel Air real estate is governed by local ordinances that regulate lot size and architectural styles. The rules also forbid nearly all multifamily housing, which explains in part why Bel Air has the median household income of any area in Los Angeles and some of its priciest homes. Privacy and solitude are part of Bel Air's appeal. The neighborhood has one of the lowest population densities in Los Angeles, with only 8,261 residents in 6 square miles. In today's video, we're going to explore homes available for sale in Bel Air. Number 5. 627 Carcassonne Road, $65 million. Carcassonne Road is one of the most modern and artistic homes on the list. The home was designed to perfection, with clean shapes and sharp lines. It has large, magnificent windows that open up the home and bring in the daylight. With floating staircases that you can glide down, you'll be seamlessly moving from upstairs to downstairs in style. The property stretches over 28,000 square feet, including 9 bedrooms, 18 bathrooms, and even a large, cozy fireplace. The interior contains a minimalistic touch to keep it looking clean and fresh, with a bright white look in the modern kitchen. It's truly a dream home. This home also comes with its hair salon, yoga, studio, bar, wine cellar, and gym. In addition to all those luxurious amenities, the home also comes with an infinity pool that stretches over 160 feet. Number 4. 10979 Chalon Road, $67.5 million. Chalon Road certainly packs a punch with its incredible city views. The home is located beside the lush green fairways of the Bel Air Country Club golf course, standing at 30,000 feet. It may not be the largest property on the list, but it certainly has a lot of outdoor space for anything you want to do in your spare time. If you like to party, then this property is certainly for you. There's a movie theater, bowling alley, wine cellar, and a sports court. You never have to leave the compound because you have everything you need right there within your home. The home has an infinity pool that curves nicely around the property, stretching 70 feet long. The property also contains its very own waterfall. That's perfect for those peaceful evenings and a glass of wine. This is the perfect place for wining and dining, impressing your friends with spectacular views. Number 3, 10697 Somma Way, $100 million. The first thing you think of when you hear the name Bel Air is that hit show Fresh Prince of Bel Air, and the third property on our list is certainly fit for a prince, well more like a few kings. You might think that a home with a $100 million price tag would certainly contain absolutely everything you can think of, and you'd probably be right, because this home has a lot to offer. The modern Spanish villa spans over 41,000 square feet with 21 bathrooms, 8 bedrooms. The mansion is covered with white marble and contains black and gray furniture, going for that sleek black and pearl white look. The wide open window panes catch the light and send it flying off the walls for that extra bright feel. The master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet filled with space to hang your equally expensive designer clothes and bags. The property goes an extra mile with a large wine cellar capable of holding a small orchard, a 36-person theater, and a recording studio. It even has an LED-lighted basketball court, a 20-car garage, and a gallery, and of course, a wellness center. An entire fortress, as we like to call it. It's even fitted with circadian lights around the walls, which help human health by limiting the impact of electric light on the human circadian rhythm. Coming in, number 2, Casa Encantada Bel Air, California, $225 million. Casa Encantada comes in second. It's worth an insane amount of money. You better be the world's top 1% and higher if you want to dream owning a property like Casa Encantada. The grand home spans over 8.5 acres. This magnificent architecture holds 60 rooms and has a beautiful stone fountain that precedes the large doors. The mansion has a significant history, previously owned by Conrad Hilton in the 1930s, known for Hilton Hotels. He was known to hold the most amazing social events the country has ever seen, some even presidential dinners. The estate welcomes any guests with elegant metal gates, allowing you to drive through the lush green garden. There is an incredible reception hall with delicate art and sculpture since the time of Conrad Hilton. It's undergone many refurbishments to keep up with the times. The interior was designed by Rob John Gibbons, a British-born architect and furniture designer. Although the interior images may have been withheld to protect the privacy of a future owner, you can only imagine what a house like this could look on the inside. The mansion sits in the middle of a lush green garden with greenhouses, managers' quarters, and basketball and tennis courts. If they take this much care of the outside, we can only imagine what the inside must look like. This home has an extravagant design and large windows that showcase beauty, vibrant fresh-cut grass, and neatly trimmed edges. When you step onto this estate, you'll soon realize just how fancy it really is. This property boasts a luxurious pool house with a screening room, formal bar, beautiful viewing areas that look out into the stunning rose garden. The beauty of the surrounding area is unquestionable as you enter what you think is a holiday resort. Now, before we move to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you're notified whenever we post a new video. Now, on to the most expensive home for sale in Bel Air. At number 1, Bel Air, California, $500 million. One in Bel Air is one of the most expensive homes in the world, boasting a massive $5 million price tag. This new property can't wait to make itself available to buyers. And so exactly what do you get for that staggeringly large price? Well, for starters, the home is a massive 100,000 square feet with 20 bedrooms. This complex will force you to get lost in your own home. Better bring a map with you. This huge mansion, even a bigger price tag, comes with 4 acres of land, giving you large, uninterrupted views. Architect house comes with 30 bathrooms and a huge garage, enough to fit 30 cars. And if you're a fan of the outdoors and relaxing, this expensive home is perfect for you. The property contains 5 swimming pools, a bowling alley, a nightclub, and a huge movie theater with a capacity to fit 36 seats inside. You can fill your house up with a party and still have room to get away. Comment down below and let us know which house is your favorite. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend. See you next time.